When the various Samsung Galaxy S24 versions launch early next year, we could see titanium frames and larger displays being added, according to leaker S24. First off, as IU subsequently clarified after first only uploading a picture of the periodic table, the Galaxy S24 Ultra variant might employ titanium for its side rails. In principle, titanium's exceptional strength and low weight make it a great material for high-end cell phones. Since the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are reportedly getting titanium frames later this year, Apple must be in agreement. The drawback of titanium is its high cost, which is expected to increase the price of the iPhone 15 Pro line. It is also heavier than the aluminum that is often used for phone frames, yet being lighter than the stainless steel we see on Pro iPhones. For many years, Samsung has made a great deal out of its thin yet durable armor aluminum smartphone casings. Therefore, the addition of titanium can result in the Galaxy S24 Ultra being substantially heavier than the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is now covered in aluminum. S24 has more information to share with us. Additionally, he claims that the Galaxy S24 Plus could sport a 6.65-inch screen rather than the 6.6-inch panel of the Galaxy S23 Plus. It's possible that a larger display may result in a larger body for the S24 Plus, which would give Samsung more room to add additional features or a bigger battery. The S23 Plus now differentiates from the base Galaxy S23 in terms of display size, battery size, minimum storage capacity, and charging speed. Thus, adding some additional features, possibly taken from the Ultra variants, might make the mid-sized Galaxy S phone stand out more from its smaller sister. Other Galaxy S24 series advancements haven't received much attention yet. According to what has been reported so far, though, we should keep an eye out for quicker charging, the same selfie camera, at least in terms of the sensor, and maybe the reappearance of Snapdragon and Exynos versions, depending on where in the globe you purchase the phones. If Samsung follows its regular schedule, the Galaxy S24 series will probably be released in February. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.